there's something that you might have not known.
Maps, we have settings, we have spots. If you guys want to win one of these, I will ship it to you. I'm actually ditching it today. We get to do something that I've always wanted to do.
New to Mustangs like I am, there's something that you might have not known. And we can actually get Apple CarPlay in this 2016 Mustang when normally they don't come with it. There's a quick little add-on we can do, so let's show you how to do it. To see if it's possible if you can do this, what you're going to do is you're going to turn on your dash, your radio, and then go to settings, general, about sync. And if yours says sync 3 software version 3.0 or newer, that means that we can do this. I actually ordered this on Amazon Prime, so it gets here pretty quick. There's a link in the description if you guys want to order this. And I actually had a nice guy reach out by the name of Avery who actually wanted to send me one of these for free, but I said, hey, let me pay for it, and I want to give it away. So watch till the end of this video to let you know how you're going to win this to get this in your Mustang. There's a link in the description to tools I use more often than not that I think everyone would find valuable, and that includes these plastic pry tools for interior trim pieces. This is the USB module where you are going to be swapping it out. It's actually identical to the stock one, but this one has internals that are a little bit smarter that we can run Apple CarPlay with. What we're gonna do is we're not gonna just pry the USB out, we're gonna pry this whole setup. So we're gonna take our plastic pry tool, gently slide it underneath and pry up carefully on both sides. Work it out, don't feel like you have to force it. Work your way around. And then next thing we can do is disconnect these cables right here. Pinch the little tabs, just 3 of them. Let's go ahead and take this one out as well. Press on the top, there's this little tab right here. Press on it, push it through, and it slides out. We're gonna take our new one. Now we're gonna take our USB cable. If you guys need one of these for your car, I'll have a link in the description. I like these Amazon Basics ones. I'll leave one similar. We're filming on my phone, so we have Parker's phone right here. Luckily it'll work, so we're gonna turn the car on. We'll just turn the radio on, plug it in, and just like that, we have messages, we have maps, we have settings, we have Spotify, we have our phone, just like the iPhone. Super rad. You can do Waze, so you can have maps to detect cops. All kinds of stuff. If you guys want to win one of these, I will ship it to you. All you got to do is follow me on Instagram, send me a picture of your 5.0 and say, hey, I need Apple CarPlay in my Mustang now that you got it. I will go ahead and pick someone and send this off to them. It comes in a nice package like so, just like what we did. I came up here to drive the Mustang, but I'm actually ditching it today. We get to do something that I've always wanted to do. Me and Ariana have been talking about it since we started dating. We're at Sedona ATV. We are in a Razor 1000. It's like a brand new Polaris. Ariana, you excited? We finally get to do this?
Yes.
We got a GPS and everything. It includes water and the ice chest. They have a ton of options. I'm gonna leave a link in the description so you guys can book this because it's gonna be rad. I grew up driving UTVs since Rhinos came out. My best friend had one. We had so much seat time in them, so it's gonna be a rad adventure. We're gonna buckle up and head out there, but I just want to show you guys around and show you what it looks like. So when you do come out here, if you're in the Phoenix area or Tucson or Arizona at all, it's really not that far of a drive, and you can even get the Polaris Razor XP Pro or Pro XP and whatnot. So enough talking, let's do some driving because we're getting some seat time today and we're gonna do some rock crawling. I usually like to go fast in these things, but in a place that's this beautiful you're about to see, it's rad to go slow sometimes and rock crawl. And he said we're gonna need 4-wheel drive and 4-low, and this thing is brand new. Here we go. We're actually looking pretty fly right now. I think Ariana looks better than me. cool spot. Check out the view. How fun. I actually love that blue. We've been having some fun. It's not as slow as I thought. We have this rad view right here. And there's a spot over there that looks pretty fun that we're gonna keep driving to, so soaking it up. We could do a donut around this?
Do not.
I'm kidding. Made it to the top. Looks pretty cool up here. There's Jeeps, there's bikes, there's some people walking. But spot looks pretty heavy up here. for the day. We got some pizza, hanging out. Buddy Austin told me to drive to the airport here. I've never done it yet. He said the views are rad. Just came up on that road over there. Anybody's friends right here. It's a red BRZ, a silver Beamer, and a 370 in Sedona, Saturday. YOHB question mark. Guys are new here to the brand. Karma Speed on the channel is all about building confidence on the garage, learning everything we can about each specific sports car model from before buying it to after getting it, DIY modifying in the garage, just like we did today, one thing at a time. I appreciate all you guys. Make sure you check out the video or playlist on the screen, and we'll see you on one of those.